What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Daily Driven Exotic. It is 2020, brand new year, new decade. What's up, Dave?
Did you guys miss us? We're back in 2020, bigger and louder.
Whoa, hold on, Dave. Shh. Not louder.
I mean, you're louder right now.
We're actually going into the future. I'm gonna keep it loud, but the cars are getting quieter. We're at Protective Film Solutions, you guys. We're here for a very special 2020, brand new year, brand new us reveal on a car that is breaking ground. You guys wanna know what it is? Happy New Year.
Happy New Year,
Good to see you.
See you, man.
Miss your face. You got a special treat for us.
No.
No? What do you mean?
Why? What?
Ice cream cones.
You didn't get my gift in the mail? I could have swore I sent it.
Come on, come on.
What,
Give
this?
the daddy, give the daddy.
This?
Let's go into the back, hold on. All right, here we are. This is the what? How do you pronounce this? Taycan. All that you need to know is this is Porsche's very first all-electric car. Not just any old car. This is a sports car. This thing has how many horsepower?
750.
How much horsepower does your tuned, downpiped, twin turbo Gucci McLaren out front have?
7-ish.
Yeah, so this thing's got more power, more torque. It's gonna absolutely decimate supercars. And it's gorgeous, you guys. Look at this. Thanks to Ryan and the team at
McKenna Porsche.
McKenna Porsche, thank you for hooking us up and giving us the keys for, I think we have a limit of approximately 1.5 miles. Because this car's brand spanking
I've seen
new.
You do a lot more damage in
1.5 miles. We're gonna take this thing for a test drive, you guys. The future of daily driven exotics, whether we like it or not, is going to lie in obviously electric vehicles.
Here's the thing with electric cars. It's new, they're quiet, they're not as exciting as they're usually in your mind with a supercar. But the first look at this car, I feel like there's gonna be a lot of things that surprise us about it. Right away, the build quality is insane.
0 to 60.
2.7, 2.5, still unconfirmed.
Whoa. Look at the size of the caliper on the front.
Matters, I keep telling you that.
That's look at my hand. I'm a huge guy. I'm a huge dude. Huge.
You're tall and slender.
I have a huge hand.
This is the Porsche Taycan. We're gonna go for a test drive. Dave, we have keys to a 750 horsepower Porsche's very first electric sports car. Why are we standing in the installation room? How do you start it? Oh, power button, hold on.
Over there?
Yeah, look.
Makes sense, it's a Porsche.
Look at this.
That's super bad. Curved glass display.
Curved. That is nuts.
Display.
There's a display back here.
Display.
One of my favorite features of this car is this. Check this out, you guys. Look at this. The pano roof. I love the pano glass roof. All I need to do is let my foot off the brake and the car starts to roll. Okay, guys, what was really cool is we got a text from the dealership explaining how to do proper launch control. So on here on the touchscreen, we can touch the car for all the car's features. So we have the drive mode, we have chassis setup, height. Oh, that's cool. We're in low right now, so we can go to lift because we want to get out of here. Oh, there go all 4 corners, lifting up. Electric sport. So I'm gonna do that as on. Oh, do you hear that? Okay, we're gonna do drive mode, sport plus, chassis height. We're in
Go lift.
Go lift.
So how we can get?
Apparently launch in this car is extremely brutal. So you ready?
Yeah.
So you hold it.
Yeah.
Launch control activated. This is the brand new Porsche all-electric Taycan launch control.
Holy
dude, I had this a super intense sensation of falling as the driver. Want to do it again?
Yes.
Ready?
Yes. Oh, I hit myself in the face.
Holy.
Why does it sound so cool? It sounds like the future.
It does. It's got this hum that's like they obviously add that into the car.
I literally in that launch, not messing around, hit myself in the face with the camera.
This is the future. This is literally a glimpse into what you're gonna see all Porsches eventually become. The fit and finish is Porsche, first and foremost. Everything in here speaks luxury, elegance, sportiness. They have everything still here, like the traditional chrono style clock. The seats in the back are super sporty. They have trusted Daily Driven Exotics to do an exclusive kind of first review with this car. This is one of the first Taycans in all of California. I think possibly in the entire west coast of the country. Again, we're not a review channel, so we're just gonna have some fun and give you guys the DDE experience, which is simple. We own a bunch of supercars. They are not electric, and we're just trying to convey, is this gonna be as much fun as a naturally aspirated or, you know, a combustion engine with turbochargers and a supercharger and all that sort of stuff? Yes, at some point we're gonna miss the sound. Does it get made up for in the performance? Because this car would decimate, I think, almost all of our cars. You guys hear the sound? Listen, ready? You can hear it shifting gears.
Yes, this car shifts.
So talk about that, Dave.
So I Googled it before we got out of the car.
Of course.
And unlike the other electric cars, this car actually has gears, so you feel the shifts. Unlike all the other ones that has a linear path, this one actually has shifting, which gives you more of a connected driver feel to the car.
They're trying to emulate some of the things that people are gonna love about previous non-electric vehicles.
Right. But they want to create the new audio of an electric car. Like, you're not going to get the engine noises, that would be really fake. So this is like the new style of electric car noises. Listen to it. It actually hurts.
The suspension and lowered is so tight.
This car's so fast.
It's so fast. It does not have regenerative braking. So if you let your foot off of the brake pedal, it just coasts. There is no regenerative braking in this car.
So what he means is on a Tesla, if it comes off the gas pedal, the car slows down immediately. Holy sh!
Dude, those guys were just pulling off the line when we left the line.
It's so fast, but you don't hear it. It doesn't have the same tires squealing, engine roaring.
In there. That thing is so fast.
It's so fast. Get in here.
All right, you better drive good because I don't give good reviews on Uber.
We're on a mission to save the planet.
There's no polluting happening right now, which is pretty cool actually when you think about that.
Wow, except for Ryan.
Like it smells?
He's always got gas. It's no joke.
Oh my crap!
Oh, jeez. What do you guys say? I thought the Tesla.
Ah, Jesus!
Oh my God.
Almost like the Tesla.
I thought.
Oh, I'm gonna throw up.
Wow. Look at the turning radius.
That's insane. That thing
Right?
is crazy.
You feel it shifting gears?
That's insane.
This is the first electric car that shifts gears. Watch it shift right here.
Oh, you can hear it.
Right there, it shifted.
That's nuts, dude.
That's crazy. Time to upgrade your Tesla.
Is it safe to say that this would decimate a Tesla?
Oh yeah.
Yo,
It's so fast.
This
this is crazy.
All right, we gotta give it back.
This is nice.
Yeah.
There you go.
McKenna
Huge
hooked
shout
us
out
up.
again to McKenna. Thank you guys so much for the trust. Guys, we just came back from the future, no pun intended, and now we're going into the past. Look at this. Fire this puppy up. I want to hear this thing. Straight piped? Straight piped? W16.
W16 engine in here, twin turbo?
Ah, man. Listen to that purr of the Ferrari. Ferrari!
But hey look, there's a blue Ferrari with British plates.
With British plates.
Don't think, just drive.
Don't think.
This is the goal car. This is a Bugatti Chiron. This is a very special one. This is called Helby. It's a black and yellow theme. Just went to France where Protective Film Solutions did these custom kind of stripes. They used to be all black and they did the design on the hood. And the owner liked it so much, he flew it back to the Bugatti dealer in France and got it permanently painted on. Now it's back for full clear bra again.
Do you have your own personal photographer now? Is that what's happening here? Oh man, fame's changed him. He's been following around all day.
Changed him. We're here back at Sheepy. See where we're at with the boost, the power, the torque limiters, whatever he did. I just want to know if it's gonna go sideways. Is it gonna go sideways?
I don't know, bro. You're like that. Listen, I make everybody happy, which is a good thing because you could take every little thing. I'm not even gonna say it's gonna make you happy. Go drive it, come back. You do not improve unless you find negativity. So I'm not taking it as a
He
bad.
finds all the negativities in life.
When car's running, I'm gonna get out here and see what damn it.
guys, we're out of here. Sheepy, thank you, Alex. I'll see
So
you
we
in the
didn't fix
morning.
all the bugs. We got a couple left, but we'll fix them in the
We're
morning.
gonna go terrorize Beverly Hills.
Yeah, don't call me.
Ready to go?
Yeah, I'm ready.
You know what's funny? What Alex said to me before we walked out, he goes, make sure Damon takes it easy on the car. Who's mad?
Roll the window down. Have you lost your mind?
Put it neutral if I'm revving it. Neutral?
Yeah.
I can't rev it. Let's get going.
Hold on.